English workshop. Question number 1. From the poem, find the old words used for each of the following. Towards means unto, here, hither, thus, doth. Question number 2. Write in your own words. Who does the poet invite to join? The poet invites the people who share his feelings to join him. How should that person sing? That person should sing merrily or happily. What message does the poem convey? The poem conveys the message that if one deliberately avoids ambition or lives a simple life in the lap of nature, one will be very happy and have no real enemies. The only enemies will be winter and rough weather. See question number 3. Pick out the lines that mean sing in such a manner, that means, and turn his merry note unto the sweet bird's throat. One who wishes to join me, who loves to lie with me, who gives up his desire for wealth, power, fame, etc., who doth ambition shun. Life in the forest is free from ill wishes. Here shall he see no enemy. Happy to eat whatever he can get, seeking the food he eats and pleased with what he gets. See question number 4. Here activities given. Find from the internet and write down in which century did William Shakespeare write his famous plays? From which play is this song extracted? Which character from the play sings this song? The answers to these questions I have already given in the introduction video, and you also find more information in the internet. Be a poet. Try to complete the following poem with words that rhyme with each other. I would love to live a life that is free, relax under a shady tree, and fall into a dreamy sleep with no strict hours forced to keep, and sing aloud a merry song, untrodden paths as I walk along. You ask me what I would get to eat, fruits and nuts and berries sweet. You ask me with whom I would get to play, birds and animals happy and gay. And if a woodcutter put a chop, firmly I would put a stop. So that's the life I would like to lead, free from worries, free from greed. Pick out 2 examples of alliteration from the poem. Who loves to lie with me? Repetition of the letter L. And pleased with what he gets. Repetition of the letter W. Okay.